Very good. Okay, now it is the last day. We've done this for 5 days, so you should be able to do your near doubles without any help from the teacher. So I want you to give these a try. And then when you're done trying, I want you to push play and check your answers with mine. So go ahead and push pause and push play when you're done. Okay, boys and girls, let's check your answers. We're going to start at the top and we're going to go down. So this is 11, 5, 1, 17, 13, 9, 3, 21, 7, 19, 15, 19, 9, 15, 3, 7, 1, 21, 5, 17, 13, and 11. Okay, how'd you do? Hopefully you were able to get those correct. So make sure that it's all ready to go and turn it into your teacher. Hi, boys and girls. Go ahead and put your name at the top of your paper. And then today for our front page, what we're going to be doing is circling anything that is a doubles plus one fact or near doubles. So we have to be looking to make sure that they are partnered. So you take a look at the problems and decide if it's a neighbor or near doubles or if they are not. So let's look at this first one. 5 plus 6. Is that a near doubles? Yep, so we're going to circle it. Let's look at the next one. 1 plus 5. Are those neighbors on the number line? Nope, so I'm going to put an X through those ones. Let's look at this domino right here. We have a 4 and we have a 3. Are those neighbors on the number line? Yep, so we circle that. But the next one has 9 and a 0. Are those neighbors? No. The next domino right here has 7 and 4. Are they neighbors? No. What about this one right here, 7 and 6? Yep. This one has 6 and 6. Those are doubles, but they're not the near doubles, so we're just going to cross that off. Same with 2 plus 2. That's not near doubles, so we're going to cross that off. What about 3 and 1? Nope. What about this one is 6 and 7? Yes, those are, so we're going to circle it. Then let's go back over to this one. Are those near doubles? Yep. What about 3 and 1? No. 2 and 2? No. What about 4 and 5? Yes. And the last one is 4 plus 1. Is that a near doubles? No.